What's happening, folks? Well, I had absolutely no intention of shooting any videos today. I was just going to come out to my shop, sharpen some stuff, and that was pretty much it. But it is super dirty in here right now. I've got stuff everywhere, and I can't really get anything done while it's like this. So, figure that I'm going to clean everything up and take you all along for the ride. Whee! Here we go. Alright folks, well, I think that is going to do it for tonight. I wouldn't exactly call it clean, but it is definitely tidy. Tidier. So, tomorrow whenever I come back in here, I can do some work. I can maybe get Joe's knife done. Done-er. And yeah, it's not going to be so cluttered where I can't actually come in and do something. So, that's good. And beyond that, while I was cleaning, I sang 4 songs. And unless this is your first time to my channel, you know I like to give stuff away. So, if you can tell me what those 4 songs were, 1, 2, 3, and 4, I'm gonna let you pick any pocket knife off of my table this weekend. And it's as simple as that. You guys have a good night. Bye.